Alright, we have got an ARB Frontier tank that's going in the truck. It's going to give us an extra 180 litres in the 200. Most of you know that you can change the little back sub 45 litre tank and put a bigger tank in here. Gives you, I think, a total of, what is it, Chris?
About 270 litres.
270 litres, so should help out a bit. Most of you think that you get massive range out of it, but the fuel economy is not great when you're towing heavy loads.
1,000 k's when I was loaded up.
1,000 k's. Here we go. The 180 litre Frontier is in. Frontier, whatever it's called. Frontier, what do you think, Matty?
It's a mission.
Mission.
We got it.
It's in. How's this? Bit of Swisho carpet in the back here. This is the Norwell Package 3 that we just had the other week, so I'll show you some more footage of that soon. Cheers guys, have a good week.